A question we often get at Fidelis, very often when we onboard new companies, is why did our past efforts in the VA fail us? Our sales representatives have gone in, they've done excellent product demonstrations and promotional activity, and they left quotes with a physician, maybe they left quotes with somebody else, and absolutely nothing happened. They went back multiple times, and 10 months later, they kind of throw their hands up. They wonder what really occurred. Well, here at Fidelis, we found that we use the great Marcus Lemonis's formula of the three P's to diagnose the issue. Those three P's are people, product, and process. And in general, when something goes askew within the VA, we find that if we center in on those three P's, we can find the answer. Well, what are those three P's? The first of which is people. There are certain individuals within the VA that have to be involved in any purchase that the VA is making in general in capital sales. And it's not just the physician, it's not just somebody within the physician's department. There is going to be an entire chain and cascade of folks that are going to be intimately involved with the process, from administrative officers to folks in logistics to contracting officers. You have to understand that these people need to be met with and they need to be detailed on the product and what is occurring within the service line or the department that the VA is trying to purchase that product for. That's number one. The second P is for product. Within the VA, you can have a great product and do a wonderful job telling your story. Where difficulties often ensue is when representatives don't understand the contract that their product is on. There's multiple contracts within the VA. There's FSS contracts, GSA contracts, NXEQ contracts, ECAT contracts. What do they mean? The vast majority of sales representatives and the vast majority of sales leadership within device companies do not understand the particular details of these contracts and how working with a set-aside business, a service-disabled veteran small business, such as Fidelis, benefits their organization and their contract and ultimately their product. If the reps don't know how to position it, they don't know the contract that they're on, they don't know the set-aside organization that they're working with, this is going to give them problems. So that's the second P, it's product. And then thirdly, and the last one within the three Ps is process. The VA goes through a very detailed process when it purchases products. The right people have to be involved, the right contract has to be involved. The correct key players, main people, and influencers that are going to be part of this purchasing decision have to have a say in the acquisition and ultimately how this product is going to be acquired. So what we do, we analyze the people, the product, and the process, the steps these companies have been through, and then we help provide them with our winning formula for how they can go further faster in the VA when you work with Fidelis, where we serve those who served us.